Welcome guys, this is Omni Demigod, also known as Kronos, and in this video I'm going to be talking about this game called Havoc. So I've been playing it for about 2 months now. This game is somewhat interesting. It came out yet to buy access, it's 25 Roblox. There's a little bit of Game Pass. It is kind of a game, play to win game. It kind of is, but at the same time it's not. So when you start out, there's gonna be a task for you to go again, do a mission, right? And then once you get to certain points, you get to this, you can teleport to places. Right? This is the desert. It's probably the most played place. This is the forest. So when you start out, there are mobs. They spawn. They walk towards you. Some of them don't, but some of them do. So, oh my gosh. Up here, there's an update. It used to be over here, but the new update's up here. You can see your time play, your titles. I have a lot of titles. So your gold collection, the amount of gem you collect, total amount of enemy you kill, the highest damage you've done. Right? You can see your titles and what you've done, what you need to do in order to obtain the new titles. Titles isn't really anything. Really, it's just there's a leaderboard end game, and your name just appeared on there. Where is it? I don't even know it. I don't really even pay attention to it. I don't even know where it is. I think I do. I think it's over here. What if it's right here? No. I don't see it. Anyways, oh, it's over here. It's right there. Jesus Christ, where am I? I was at 50. Oh look, I'm number 27. Okay, I'm getting up there. Anyways, the reason why this game is very cool is because there's this thing called trades. You can trade people for their heroes. Okay, so let's say, hey, I want a minigunner sap 1. Okay, I'll be like, hey, I would say something like, hey yo, little man smart, I want to trade with you. I want to send you a trade. And you can click on here to see the trade opening. And I say I want to send a trade to everybody. Okay. And usually this isn't how you do trades. But then from there, one of the trades pop up like this, and then you offer them things like this. Then they will probably want to accept. Ready not. But yeah, stuff like this. And then you can go to your heroes and you can go battle mobs. And the team that I'm using, obviously, it's a wish. It's called coding wish, or Ha. Ha is basically hidden ability that they have, and it's just a little bit more rare. You can tell a hidden ability is just basically one with the stars. There are different kinds. Unique is not a hidden ability, and but it does. Look at this. Look at the period is supposed to be at the end, right? But the period is down here. Look at that. Okay. But there's different types of abilities for some of them, right? And you will know because there's a Heropedia, and it will show you there's 1, that's 2, that doesn't have any. I'm pretty sure it does though. But okay, see, this one has 2 hidden abilities. This one has 2. It's very rare to even get 2 hidden abilities with it, but that's the cool thing about this game. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little bit of a showcase of how a battle would look like. Like I said, it's very similar to Summoner Wars. You enter the battle. You can make them all target one guy. Obviously, these are not attacking because I put a little aurora on them, and it makes them not attack. So the only guy attacking is this guy, which is called the Chronos. And let's check out the Chronos. So the belts, all right. I know I was gonna. The belts is very simple. All in attack speed, a little bit in power. There's probably 3 points in power, and everything else I'm not using. I have a treasure finder. This guy, you know, all speed power. This guy, all speed power. This guy, I don't know, speed and HP. So that is all I have for you, and stay tuned for the next video, I guess.